Yeah, I would say anybody who's interested in, really having a hands-on experience of making products that you can make at home or that you could make into a small business utilizing herbs and flowers and plants, and also, want some sense of community, then this is a really good way to combine those two things.
If you are considering taking this program, I would highly recommend it. The empowering part of getting outside and learning some of the plants that are around us that we can use in a medicinal way.
Regardless of what level you're at, and I really think in this class we have people who've never come across anything to people who have made some of these things themselves, and regardless of the level you wouldn't know, because there's always something to learn and it feels like a really very welcoming environment.
What I really liked about this class is that you got all the science of it, and then it runs 180 degrees to the more ethereal side of things, so it kind of has everything depending on what kind of person you are.
It's a lot of bang for your buck, the best part about it for me was if I needed to, I could pay for it in installments. And I mean, price is the biggest hurdle for something like this because you don't know the quality of what you're getting. And so I love the installment payments. That was amazing. So maybe consider that as an option, but I mean, ultimately you come in and you're getting information, but you're also taking things home. So you are paying for a physical product as well as an education. And just the quality of materials and the wealth of information that this class provides is just absolutely worth every penny.
Don't second guess it, just do it. It definitely, I don't want the class to be over. I'm really sad. It's not just about a certificate, it's a life change.
You can slow down and, kind of take time to look at something you're interested in and really make it meaningful.